Where is it? Oh. What do I do with that? Yeah, I heard you. Come on, get the hell out of here. I forgot how I put this together. What the hell?
Oh, here.
Wait a minute.
You need this.
Ah. Well, don't forget, I have a launcher too and everything, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Alright, dude.
Ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Where is it? I heard it pop.
Here it comes.
Yeah, it went far. Oh, crap. Success. All right. Success. All right. What happened to that window? We're going the wrong direction.
Now, you didn't see that. I saw the whole
I couldn't see the damn thing.
That's a shame you didn't get to see it.
That thing went out of sight.
It went.
Now, if you had a parachute on that baby, I think it would have been gone. Where did my hat go? I lost my hat. That thing would have been gone.
So it worked. Nice. I hope you at home could see that.
No damage.
Cool.
Back at
Damn.
I never seen the wind change so much as it went out here. Damn.
Jeez.
See, the other one landed over there. Yeah, I got contact.
You got contact to the missile?
Yeah.
Let me get over here. Alright,
No wind.
it's recording.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Shit. Shit. Come on back. Whoa. Shit. Shit. Come on back.
Here it comes.
Whoa. Come on.
Jeez.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Uh-oh.
What?
Got it?
Oh,
Jeez.
Ooh. Turn and then blow up.
Dude, we just made it.
Well, you're not kidding.
Any more over and that would have been like
Yep.
somebody's property.
Yep. I don't think this is going to keep happening. That we
I
luck out all the
know,
time. You know,
jeez.
damn.
Too successful.
Then as it
Flight.
comes down, I saw this bare tree. I said, "Oh no, that was close." Look at that, right in.
Dude, it fell right behind this red tree here.
Woo!
It just made it. Damn. It went up so high.
Look at that chute. Look, still full.
Damn. It is. Cobra missile. Success 2.